Your breath affects more than your mood. It shapes your digestion, your sleep, your immunity, your ability to handle stress. And with 75% of the world population living with chronic stress, 70% of those people are stuck in shallow breathing without even realizing. And this keeps the nervous system stuck in overdrive. That's why in today's practice, we're going to retrain your breath. I'll guide you through some simple science-backed breathing techniques that can calm and regulate your nervous system, support your digestion and your immunity, balance your stress hormones, and improve your focus and your sleep. In Chinese medicine, these practices nourish the lung, spleen, and kidney systems. These are the foundations for your energy, your resilience, and your mental and emotional balance. And stress and shallow breathing weaken these systems. If you want more ways to reset your nervous system, use my free starter kit that I have linked in the description, and subscribe so you continue to receive the practices that I'm sharing every week here. All right, let's get into the practice. Begin by finding a comfortable seat or lying down, however your body feels the most supported. And let your gaze soften or close your eyes. And take a moment to notice your breath without trying to change anything. Simply observe how your body is breathing right now. The quality of your breath, the pacing of your breath, and where it's moving in your body. If it's in your chest, your belly, your back. This simple awareness alone begins to reduce stress and supports your digestion and your mental clarity. Now let your breath begin to slow down. And being gentle with your breath throughout this practice, inhaling through your nose to a comfortable count, and letting your exhale be slightly longer than your inhale. Maybe your inhale is a count of 4, and your exhale a count of 6 or 7. This longer exhale activates the vagus nerve, helping your body shift out of any stress response. It can calm racing thoughts, ease tension in your chest, and support steadier digestion and more balanced mood. Notice how your body can soften with each longer, gentle exhale. Now we'll move into a 4-7-8 breathing. Inhaling through the nose for 4 counts. Holding for 7 counts. And exhaling through the mouth for 8 counts. and always letting your breath be gentle, be soft. And as you continue with this pattern of inhaling for 4, holding for 7, and exhaling for 8, feel how this pattern slows your heart rate. It lowers cortisol, and it signals your body that it's safe to rest. And in doing so, you're supporting mental focus, your sleep, and hormonal balance. Let's do 3 more rounds together, allowing your mind to naturally quiet with this breathing pattern. And as you're ready, we'll move into alternate nostril breathing, or nadi shodhana. You can close your right nostril with your thumb using your right hand. And as you hold the right nostril with your right thumb, inhale through your left nostril. Pause at the top and close your left nostril with your ring finger, opening your right nostril and exhaling through the right nostril. Then inhale through the right nostril. Pause at the top of the inhale. Use your thumb to hold the right nostril and exhale through your left nostril. Continue with this breathing pattern. Again, always letting your breath be gentle, be soft, be smooth and steady. So you don't have to force anything. And as you're alternating nostrils with your breathing, you're balancing your nervous system, reducing reactivity, and improving your focus. By breathing this way, you're harmonizing the lung and spleen systems in TCM and supporting emotional balance and steady energy levels. It's a few more rounds with nadi shodhana. As you're ready, you can release your hand and return to natural breathing. Bring your awareness to your lower back, around the kidneys, on both sides of your spine, at the base of your rib cage. And let your breath expand into your kidneys, nourishing your adrenal function and your stress resilience. And as you exhale, let any tension in your lower back, your belly, your jaw, all soften. And perhaps you can literally expand your breath into your kidneys. And if not, you can imagine your breath expanding into your kidneys, strengthening your body's ability to recover from chronic stress, to reduce fatigue, and support mental and emotional balance. Charging your vital energy reserves. Taking a few more rounds, breathing into your kidneys, feeling a softening on your exhales, a replenishing on your inhales. Now release any control of your breath. Simply notice how your body feels now. Feeling your chest, your belly, your back, your mind. And feeling this relationship between the quality of your breath, the quality and pacing of your thoughts, and the sensations arising in your body right now. And take one more slow, nourishing breath in through your nose. And you can let it sigh out through your mouth. If you'd like more tools to calm your nervous system, you can use my free starter kit that I have linked in the description. And if this practice helped you, subscribe so you can keep joining me every week for the practices I'm sharing here. And let me know in the comments which of these breathing techniques felt most supportive to you. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks so much for taking this time to be present with your breath, with your body, and for practicing with me. I'll see you in the next video.